Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How are you today?
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good
Good morning, Miss. I'm good, Miss. How about you?
Yes.
I'm
How
good.
about
Thank you for asking. Seperti biasa, before we start our lesson today, let's pray according to our own belief. Pray begin. Okay, finish. Now I will check your attendance. Is everyone present today?
No, Miss.
No, miss. Why? Who is absent today?
Rahma absent.
Rahma, Miss.
Oh,
Absent.
I see. Do you know why Rahma is absent?
I don't know, Miss.
She has family business.
Oh, okay. Alright, thank you for letting me know. Now please prepare your stationery. Take out your book, notebook, and pen. Make sure you are ready for today's lesson. Okay, are you ready to learn today?
Ready, Miss?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, great. Let's start our lesson. Okay, before we start, I have some question for you. The first question is for Mentira. Mentira, what will happen if you study hard for the exam?
If I study hard for the exam, I will get a good score, Miss.
Okay, good answer, Mentira. Thank you. Next, the second question is for Maybe. Maybe, if it rains tomorrow, what will you do?
If it rains tomorrow, I will stay at home, Miss.
Okay, great answer, Maybe. Thank you. So, the question I asked earlier are related to our lesson today. Today, we are going to learn about conditional sentence type 1. First, we will learn about the meaning of conditional sentence. A conditional sentence is sentence used to express a real or possible condition in the present or future and its possible result. It shows that if a certain condition happens, a certain result will happen. For example, if I study hard, I will pass the exam. Jadi conditional sentence ini untuk untuk mengucapkan kalimat pengandaian. Kalau misalnya kalian berandai-andai, nah tapi kalimat pengandaiannya ini tuh mungkin terjadi di masa ini atau di masa yang akan mendatang. Contohnya, if I study hard, jika saya belajar dengan giat, saya akan lulus ujian. Coba dipikirkan secara logika. Kalau misalnya kalian belajar nih, itu ada kemungkinan kalian bakal bisa lulus ujian nggak? Ada kemungkinan kan? Nah, makanya conditional sentence ini kalimat pengandaian yang ada kemungkinan terjadi di masa depan atau di masa sekarang. Seperti itu. Now, let's talk about when we use conditional sentence type 1. We use conditional sentence type 1 first to talk about future possibilities. It means we talk about things that may happen in the future based on a condition. For example, if she saves money, she will buy a new phone. This sentence means that buying a new phone is possible in the future if she saves her money. Jadi yang pertama tuh untuk menyatakan kemungkinan di masa depan. Tapi kemungkinan di masa depannya itu bergantung dengan kondisi. Misal, dia nih bakal beli HP kalau misalnya dia nabung kayak gitu. Kalau misalnya dia nabung, dia ada kemungkinan nih untuk beli HP ya kan, karena uangnya udah terkumpul. Nah, yang kedua, next, second is plans or decisions. It means we talk about actions that depend on a certain condition. For example, if the weather is good, we will go to the beach. Sama ya, yang kedua ini tuh menjelaskan tentang rencana masa depan gitu, rencana untuk di masa depan. Ini juga sama, dia bergantung pada kondisi. Contohnya nih, if the weather is good, we will go to the beach. Kalau misalnya cuacanya bagus, kita akan pergi ke pantai. Nah, berarti itu kan tergantung dengan kondisi cuacanya kan. Kalau misalnya kondisi cuacanya bagus, berarti ada kemungkinan kita bakal pergi ke pantai. Kurang lebih seperti itu. Next, structure. Sorry, I will next ya. Next is structure. The structure of conditional sentence type 1 is if plus subject plus simple present tense, comma, don't forget the comma, subject plus will plus verb 1. Yeah. Now let's look at the example. If I study, comma, I will pass the exam. The first part is called the condition. Nah, jadi part yang di sini kita sebut condition ya. Di condition ini dia tuh menggunakan present simple tense setelah if. Nah, the second part is called the result. Jadi yang part kedua ini itu disebut dengan result. Dia menggunakan will and then followed by the verb 1. Will past ini verb 1. Nah, in this sentence, studying is the condition and then passing the exam is the result. Alright everyone, so far is everything clear? Do you have any question?
No, miss.
No, miss.
No, miss.
Okay, let's move on to the next activity. Okay, alright everyone. In this activity, the students will read a dialogue. While they are reading, the other students will listen carefully and identify the conditional sentence type 1 in the dialogue. I want Kaisha and Desi. Please read the dialogue. Kaisha will be Lina and Desi will be Putri.
Okay, miss. Hey, what are you going to do this weekend?
I'm going to visit my grandmother. How about you?
I will go to the park with my friends.
That sounds fun. If the weather is nice, we will have a picnic there.
Great idea. If I have enough time, I will bring some snacks.
Nice. I think we will enjoy our weekend.
Yes, we will have a good time together.
Okay, good job. Thank you, Kaisha and Desi. Now, I want Maybe and Mentira. Please identify the conditional sentence type 1 ya. Starting from Maybe.
Okay, miss. The first conditional sentence is if the weather is nice, we will have a picnic there. Is it correct, miss?
Yes, correct. If the weather is nice, we will have a picnic there. So this is the first conditional sentence. And then how about Mentira?
The second conditional sentence is if I have enough time, I will bring some snacks.
Okay, excellent. Good job, Mentira. So the second conditional sentence is if I have enough time, I will bring some snacks. Thank you, Mentira and Menti. Okay. Challenge. I have a challenge for you. I want you to make one sentence using conditional sentence type 1. Okay. Who wants to try first?
Kaisha, miss, I want to try.
Okay, first Kaisha dulu ya. Kaisha, please make one sentence. Your turn.
Okay. If I see a cute cat, I will take a picture of it.
Okay, good. Thank you, Kaisha. This is a good sentence ya. Next, anyone else want to try? Tadi siapa? Fazar?
Yeah, miss.
Let's go, Fazar. Please make one sentence.
Okay.
If I be a rich man, I will marry her.
Okay, excellent. Good job, Fazar and Faisha. Okay, alright. Before we end our lesson today, let's review what we have learned. Today we learned about conditional sentence type 1. Conditional sentence type 1 is used to talk about real or possible situations in the present or future and their possible results. We use it to talk about future possibilities and plans based on certain conditions. And then the structure